Alright, sorry about that. I guess this time my phone was running out of battery. I should start these recordings when I have like full charge. But anyways, now I have it charging, flash is on, it's probably going to die. But I reconnected this, put the screw back in. Now we're going to do the wireless card. Okay, so let's zoom in. Hopefully it's not going to overheat again, because I don't like making so many parts of my videos. But when I merge them together, it lowers the video quality, so I'm gonna have to upload it in parts, I'm sorry. But here we go. Put that in, reattach the wireless antennas. Let me zoom in some more. Okay, so to attach the wireless antennas, just line up the wires. So the connector, just make sure it's lined up properly. I run my fingernail over the top to see if it stays in place. That usually means it's lined up properly, and then push it down. Same thing with the black wire. Okay. And push it straight down. Oops. Okay. Here we go. Now we just gotta put this plastic piece. Again, there's these little things that kind of go around and it hugs the wireless card. So just slide it on like a sleeve. Just like that. Okay. Get the screw, put that screw in. We do need to route all these wireless antenna cables. Let me see if I can get it in view. Okay, so it goes around here, goes around there, goes around that raised bump piece. Okay, then it goes into this little gap. Alright, let's do one wire at a time. Just like that. Okay, so we got the wireless antennas in. Last piece is the battery. Okay, finally. Okay, let's push the battery in. Get the connector, make sure it lines up, and then pull that connector in. Alright, and then we can line it up and put the screws. Make sure it's all lined up. Is this battery thing missing these screw mounts? I think this, oh, it's missing the two screw mounts on this side. I don't think I can pull them out from this one. Let me try. Oops. That's a little odd. So this battery on this one is missing the screw mounts. So I'm going to try and pull them out from the old one and see if I can reuse them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's see, I'll put the screw in slightly. And then let's see if I can use the pliers to pry it out. I don't think it's going to come out. Oh, I just bent the screw. Interesting. I don't know how I'm going to get those out. Let's see if I use a bigger screw. I can push it through the bottom. These are skinny screws. Okay, I'm gonna try with this really long piece. Hopefully it's the same type of screw. Yeah, you guys are just watching stuff that you don't need to watch, but okay. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I'm putting a much longer screw in place, and then let's see if I can somehow pull this up to get that rivet out. I don't think it's going to come out. No, I'm just breaking the screw off, huh? Oh my goodness, that thing is like super strong in there. So as you can see, it takes a lot of force to even get these brass rivets out. So the fact that a broken hinge can rip them out, it's pretty crazy. Okay, there we go. Pried it out. Okay, so I got one of those brass things out. I'm gonna have to take the battery out and then see if I can insert this in there. Let's put the screw in here and try and pry this one out as well. Damage the screw, what a waste. Okay, it is coming out, there we go. So hopefully I can put these in. Throw that screw away because I damaged it. Alright, hopefully I can put the rivets in there. Let's disconnect the battery again. Okay. Then we'll try and put this rivet in place. So what I'll do is I'll screw that in. See if I can screw it all the way down. Come on, rivet, go in. Oh, I might end up destroying this screw completely. Let me see if I can get a better screw that fits it better. Okay, because I might end up destroying that. Let's see if I can find a better screw top. Sorry, I'm making this video too long with nonsense, but okay, let's see if I can do it with this flat one. I want to make sure I fix it right. So this is going in crooked, so I guess I can't make it go completely flat. I don't know how I would fix that. Oh. I guess that's what we're gonna have to live with, because I might end up breaking the screen if I try and force it the other way. Alright, so let's put this one in as well. Let's try and force that rivet down into here. That one worked, it's flat, okay. Oh, I guess that didn't work. Okay, I guess this one's just not gonna have screws there because it won't work right. That's what we're stuck with. Alright, so let's put the battery. I'll try and complain to the seller and see what they'll do about it, but probably gonna have to take some pictures of that. Alright, so let's put these screws in. At least we got 3 of them in place. The cover should hold the rest in, so it should be okay. Alright. This one will have to go at a slight angle. Hopefully that will hold it in. Yep. Alright, that holds in place. So there we go. We got everything in place. Let's put this cover back on. Oh, I'm gonna add some thread locker to these screws. Okay, like I was saying, these bottom screws, I want some thread locker on them. Alright, just a little. Here we go. So these hinge screws, I want thread locker to help hold it down. So we're gonna put these in. Now we're just clipping everything back in place. Just Just line it all up, squeeze it back together. Alright, make sure you get all the clips back in. Go. Let's tighten up these screws. Go. Okay, make sure all the clips are in. Do you want to open it slowly because it is missing the hinge screw on this side, so actually we can put that in first. Let's see, that is this one. So I'm going to add some thread locker to this as well. Okay, so that's also a hinge screw. There we go. Now we can put the CD drive back in. Oh, don't forget the screws that go underneath it. In. There we go. Make sure the screws are nice and tight. Alright, and now we're going to make sure it powers on. I hope I have the charger from them because just in case I might need to plug it in. I don't think they gave me the charger though, so make sure it's all popped in. Okay. Hopefully it turns on. Oh, it's turning on without the charger. So it's probably going to ask for, say there's BIOS reset because the BIOS battery was removed and replaced and the regular battery was removed. So let's see. If it doesn't start up on its own, I'm going to have to open it back up. Sometimes you got to just wait for it. So the fan's spinning. It turned itself off. Hopefully it will turn itself back on and continue the process. Yep, it's turning itself back on. Okay, it's restarting again. So it restarted twice. Come on, boot up normally now, please. Don't scare me. The keyboard light's on. I don't know if you can see it. The keyboard light is on. Oh, there we go. It flashed. It's doing something. Wake up. There we go. So yeah, usually when you remove the BIOS batteries and the regular battery, it can take some time to start back up, so just be patient. Don't like shut it off and get all too worried. And now it's just saying invalid date and time configuration, so I do have to set that up. But that's pretty much all there is to this. Sorry it ended up being 3 videos. The stupid phone ran out of battery, overheated, and all that stuff. Maybe I should start recording in 1080p and then just not worry about it anymore. Let me know what you guys think, if it's too annoying to have to watch through multiple videos, or if you prefer the much higher quality video resolution, so that way you can see everything more clearly. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to this. Just set up the date and time again if you need to, and yeah, put all the screws back in. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe so others can find this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Okay, so part 4 now. Hopefully this is the last time. Some of you are probably watching and like, hey, you didn't plug in the keyboard. I forgot. I was like turning on the computer and I was like, why isn't the keyboard working? Don't tell me I did all of that for nothing and the keyboard doesn't work at all. So here we are. I'm plugging in the keyboard. Okay, so hopefully it's gonna work now. Alright, snap that back down. It's hard to record like this holding the phone, but yeah, but that's pretty much all there is. Basically just to redo everything else. Yeah. Alright, hopefully that video was helpful. Sorry there was just that one clip. I'll probably stitch the last one together just because that part, I guess you don't need it super high quality video, But yeah, alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And, yep, don't forget to like and subscribe, help others find these videos, and bye.